Hi guys, updated models of Samsung's cutting-edge folding screen smartphones, including its well-known reimagining of the flip phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, have been introduced. These handsets now include better cameras, larger screens, and smaller chassis. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 were announced on Wednesday the 10th of August during a live-streamed event alongside revamped versions of Samsung's Top Buds Pro earbuds and the Galaxy Watch 5, all containing recycled materials such as ocean-bound plastic. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone love. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this new phone, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. The star of the show is the Z Flip 4, which builds on the popularity of the model from the previous year with a more compact body that is thinner in practically every direction, a slimmer hinge, and lower bezels surrounding the 6.7-inch folding OLED screen. A larger battery, an upgraded pair of 12-megapixel cameras that address one of the critiques of its predecessor, and the fastest Android CPU from Qualcomm are also included. Additionally, it can be customized with 75 various color combinations for both its frame and glass, as well as complementary interface themes. According to James Manning-Smith, senior analyst at CCS Insight, in a homogeneous market of black touchscreen rectangles, it makes sense for Samsung to have products for people who want something that sticks out from the crowd. In that context, the Z Flip line has been particularly successful, and we anticipate that the Z Flip 4 will support Samsung's growth objectives in foldables. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.